This is Stems for Sud.
Man, my daddy told me, boy, when I was your age, I had to walk 13 miles to school. I said, oh, is that why you didn't graduate?
della diretta dei cambi in corsa.
Hello everyone, I'm Sean and you're watching Salt, my YouTube channel all about sports and interesting topics. And this video is going to be dedicated to Stems for Sud, which is a project that helps young students approach STEM's subjects, so subjects tied to science, technology, engineering and mathematics. It does so by hosting workshops with creative art and scientific kits produced by a Turkish company called Twins. We got a small engine with a disc on it and we're basically spinning it and mixing colors.
No, aspetta, però diciamo questo, dopo il verde, poi il rosa. Diminuisci. Ma è bellissimo! Però è venuto bellissimo. Basta. Io l'ho messo troppo, però è venuto bellissimo.
So, what's your name?
My name is Lorenzo.
And what's your name?
My name is Angelo.
And how old are you, Angelo?
I am 8 years.
And what about you? How old are you?
I am...
Are you 7, 8, 9, 10?
9 years old.
And was this experience with the kids fun or boring?
Fun. This experience is very fun.
So you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
And what is your favorite subject at school?
Mathematics, technology, and
Mathematics and technology. And what about you? What is your favorite subject?
matematica, tecnologia e italiano.
So Italian language. Okay. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Bye.
Oppure col più e il meno puoi decidere da quanto distante lo percepisce. One time.
Yeah. Wrong.
Cioè, provi a fare un altro normale, cioè che viene bene, grazie.
Ok, dica un po'. Ma invece deve fare senso orario, quindi il contrario.
È un video. No. Ma tu sei il più bravo, sei un
Come faccio?
Non lo so, sono una persona. Quindi ciao! Ma che state facendo? Pippo! Stiamo facendo queste robe. Allora, vedete, faccio tutto. Allora, mettete un pennarello nero quando
While you are actually
Playing
and learning, you just take the pieces that you need.
Not the whole kit.
Not the whole kit, so that it doesn't become a mess, and then
it will take less time to put back
up,
together.
yeah, of course. And but even though it looks like a mess, it is not very like.
So all the stickers on the paper go in this plastic bag, right?
Yes, of course. So to make sure that you have everything ready, and normally you can use another bowl or box instead of this one.
You wouldn't use this box. You'd use a different cardboard box.
Yeah, so
this one doesn't get dirty.
Yeah.
Are the colors washable?
Yes, all of them are water-based.
When children play and when kids play, the first thing that's gonna happen, they're gonna misuse the toy they're playing with.
Yes.
So they're not gonna use it the way you intend to use it in, but in a totally different way.
Yeah.
That's part of thinking out of a box.
Yes,
but this time we colored inside of a box instead of thinking outside of the box. Now, what's the name of the kit? This
Robotic
one here?
art kit.
A robotic art kit. So
yes.
we got a spinner basically on a disc, a hard cardboard disc, and then you put paper discs
Paper on
top of it.
But here, for example, they use the cardboard to paint. So once they understand how to use, they use everything. So it might be nice to have extra papers so that they can just put papers.
So how many pieces of paper does the kit come with?
Like most probably they consumed everything in here.
So it
comes like
10,
20
discs.
paper piece, yeah. But it's regular paper, so you can just
cut it out.
And in different shapes. It doesn't have to be circular.
And then you got a sticker to stick it onto this kind of sponge driver.
Yes.
That is then connected to the engine.
Yes, to the fan here.
Okay, and it works with a 9-volt battery, right?
Yes.
And then you got the slide dimmer, so you can adjust the speed, spin it slow or fast, and then you got 4 basic colors.
Whenever you mix things, what you need to do, you open the experiment here. So there's step-by-step instruction for each experiment, right? And there is knowledge piece for teachers, and they can understand how to teach this to kids. The centrifugal force, for example.
Okay, and now this little box, 20 minutes, means that the activity is going to last 20 minutes once you got it going.
Yes, and this additional information pieces.
Light refraction,
Yes.
light absorption.
And how we see colors. And here primary colors of paint and primary colors of light. So in light we have RGB, red, green,
and blue.
And
Primary colors for paint are
blue, yellow, and magenta.
And how long will the average Duracell 9 volts battery last for? Like, what are we looking like? 20 hours or something?
I'm not sure, but it should be enough to run like a couple of sessions, like 2-3 sessions from 2 hours. It should be enough for 10 hours maybe, yeah.
Okay, so it would be a good idea to use rechargeable batteries as well.
Yes, of course, yeah. So in the next version of this kit, we will have a USB power, like we have in the education packs, right? So you will be able to run it with power.
With a power bank. Are the droppers here also part of the kit?
Yes, so it is for another experiment. So you take water from a bottle, you color black, like you use black pen to make circles, and then by you dropping water like this,
you dilute it.
You dilute it and separate it into its colors, meaning that all the colors it has. So children are able to see from three black circles. After dropping paint, they can see a galaxy like blue, purple, yellow, green. So because black has all the colors inside. These are included in the kit as well. Yeah.
Okay.
So that they can draw different shapes, and they can use it as a robot. The robot leg. So here there's another cardboard. If you put fun and power on top of this large cardboard, and there are holes here.
Yeah.
You see.
And then it becomes a robot and it can move.
Yeah, and then you open it, the fan rotates and it creates imbalance movement. So it starts moving around and drawing circles on paper, for example.
I get it. So you put it on a paper base and then it will draw for you.
Yeah.
Okay, now I get it. Oh, that's a very clever packaging. Okay, I was wondering how all that stuff was going to fit in.
Yeah, so we worked hard.
Thank you so much, Shan.
Thank you, Sean.
So we're with a group of volunteers who came and traveled across Italy to help the children interact with the kits created by twins. And I'm going to introduce this group of volunteers. So who are you, madam?
I'm Bianchi Institute. I am the founder of YGA Italy, that we brought all the kits to the kids.
And what does YGA stand for?
young guru academy who cultivates a new generation with double weight, so competency and consciousness.
And now we're gonna interview each volunteer. So what's your name?
My name is Lorenzo.
And are you an undergraduate or a graduate?
I'm undergraduate in computer engineering.
What city of Italy?
Turin.
Well, what about you? What's your name?
I'm Anna, and I'm also undergraduate in environmental engineering in Turin.
Hi, I'm Francesco, and I'm studying chemical engineering in Turin.
What about you?
Hi, Marco. I'm 26. I'm studying computer engineering. I am at my master degree in Polytechnic of Turin.
So you did 3 years and now you're specializing in another
Yeah.
2-year course.
Yeah, that one.
Hi, I'm Raquel.
Are you an engineer?
I'm an architecture. I'm doing my master's at Polytechnico of Construction and City, and I'm here for twin.
And so what was the age of the children you dealt with? Like 10-year-olds, 15-year-olds? How old were they?
15.
It was a very wide range. It went from 8 to 18 almost. So every group managed a different target.
So what was the most fun? Working with the younger kids or the older kids?
Well, like younger kids, they have like a different like way to approach the modules, and they express the emotions more like in a more
Immediate way?
intense way. Yeah. So it was more fun with them, I think.